For as long as humans have been gazing at the sky, astronomers have been fascinated by Mars. Observations of the red planet date back to ancient Egyptian times. Studying its motion allowed Johannes Kepler to support the heliocentric model of the solar system proposed by Copernicus. Looking at Mars through a telescope allowed astronomers such as Galileo to make detailed observations of the Martian surface, and for a while, people such as Percival Lowell believed that Mars was inhabited by an alien race that used an intricate system of canals for irrigation. While dozens of orbiter missions and rover explorations have since proven Lowell wrong, Mars has continuously captured the imaginations of humans everywhere. However, Mars could be something more than a museum piece to be studied by humans. In fact, a significant amount of scientists believe that Mars offers salvation for the human race. As Earth's population increases, threatening to outgrow its supply of resources, we may need to consider leaving our blue planet in search of a new home. Within shooting distance of Earth, Mars seems like the most likely candidate for a planetary move. Its atmosphere, while currently unbreathable for humans, resembles that of early Earth. Additionally, astronomers believe that water is frozen in the ice caps of the Martian poles. While its average surface temperature is far from that of Earth, Mars is strikingly similar to Earth in a number of ways. It takes about 24 hours and 37 minutes for Mars to rotate once about its axis, compared to Earth's 23-hour and 56-minute rotation. Additionally, Mars is tilted on a 24-degree axis, similar to Earth's 23.5-degree axis. Its gravitational pull is less than that of Earth, but it is close enough to the Sun to experience seasons. Of course, all we have determined so far is that Mars may have the potential to house life. In order to create a livable environment on Mars, however, scientists will have to make the Martian atmosphere habitable via terraforming. This process is a long and daunting one, but scientists have already proposed potential timelines for making the red planet more like Earth. The first step is colonization. Housing the first astronauts in pressurized living quarters fit with an Earth-like environment. Theoretically speaking, scientists would also have developed some type of genetically modified crop that would allow humans to grow food in greenhouses on the Martian surface. Colonists would spend their days studying the planet, gathering data that may be helpful for the terraforming process. The next step is warming the red planet. While several warming methods have been proposed, three strategies are considered the most probable. First, astronomers have proposed constructing large orbital mirrors that would reflect extra sunlight onto the Martian surface. Over time, these mirrors should warm the surface of the planet and stimulate the release of greenhouse gases. Another possible method is the construction of greenhouse gas factories, man-made facilities intended to pump methane, carbon dioxide, and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Using fuel either brought from Earth or mined on Mars, the gases should thicken the Martian atmosphere with time. A final proposal relies on crashing ammonia-rich asteroids into the Martian surface. Using some type of thermal rocket engine, these asteroids will be guided to Mars, releasing greenhouse gases upon their collision. While each method is marginally different, they each rely on an increase in temperature of the Martian surface via greenhouse gas release. Over a long period, the warming efforts will hopefully yield results. Scientists predict that the warmer planet will work to thaw ice both underground and at the Martian poles. As liquid water begins to accumulate, oceans and rivers will gradually form, providing a water source for the formation of plant life and other organisms. Once this is achieved, the process is rather simple. Let the plants fill the atmosphere with oxygen and wait until the atmosphere is breathable for humans. Given the challenges, this is obviously easier said than done. The entire terraforming process could take several hundreds, or, by some estimates, several thousands of years. Additionally, several ethical questions exist when considering the colonization of another planet. While it may be far off, humans must not turn a blind eye to the possibilities of terraforming. As the Earth's population rises and its resources shrink around us, it may be the only way to save the human race.